Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, you have to open camera, then tap on the scanner icon here in the upper corner, then grant all permissions it asks. So now let's, for example, try to scan this QR code. So as you can see, it suggests me to open a link in Google Chrome. So let's do it. And here we can see the page which has been encoded into my QR code. So yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code with your Honor X7. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.